This is 28, 29, but this is soaking up all of the bumps. See? She just likes to go. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm back with another electric bike. This time it is from Heybike, one of my all-time favorite e-bike companies. It's called the Hybrid. It is part of their Omega series. We'll explain that in just a second. But this has a 750 watt motor, 1200 watts of peak power, and the ability to switch between a torque and a cadence sensor. Plus, it is completely customizable thanks to its app. So like we always do, we're going to take it out of the box, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. Here's what you get in the box. Yeah, you get a charger, you get some tools, and a little manual right there. It is super easy to put together. Now, as far as the Omega series, this series is designed to deliver long-range performance, and they do so with a 750 watt hub motor, 1200 watts of peak power, like I mentioned, 75 Newton meters of torque. Top speed, 28 miles an hour. Hidden behind this beautiful ruby red color right there is an 860 watt hour battery that's good for a range of 100 miles. This does have the Tektro hydraulic brakes, as you can see right there. We have front and rear lights, plus we have turn signals, and I'll show you those in just a little bit. Now, this is a 440-pound payload capacity bike right here, which is really amazing. It only weighs 69 pounds. You have a 100 millimeter travel front fork right there for a super comfortable ride. We have what I told you in the intro. This is a dual sensor electric bike, so you can choose between a cadence or a torque sensor. You can switch between the two depending on what you like right here. Fully adjustable thanks to the stem right here that you can adjust up and down. You can make the handlebars right there kind of go up and down as well. You're going to get a super comfortable ride thanks to your extra wide saddle. I love this thing. And they say that Heybike's HMI, this is human machine interaction, pairs ergonomic cockpit design with simple digital controls. Okay, so this is going to be super comfortable to ride. Like I said, the extra wide saddle, the adjustable stem, we have the low frame. It's a step over design, which is really cool. And you have a balanced center of gravity. Okay, and look, these are metal. This is a well-built bike. You have these thin tires. It's not a fat tire bike, and these feel like actual you know, it feels like a car tire. It doesn't feel plastic. This is rubber. Some of these electric bikes that I get, they feel like you're riding on a plastic tire, okay? So I can move this up and down. Let's just see if it comes powered up. And I'm going to show you what the screen looks like. Do we have to turn it on? Maybe we do. Yes, we do. Here we go. Switch. Look at that. There's your switch right there. This is where you charge it. Hit your button right here, and there. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. The green, the purple, the violet. Pedal assist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm looking forward to riding this. And that's even behind this beautiful. There we go. We'll take that off, and you can see even better. Hopefully, in the daytime, I can see it from here. Sometimes the camera doesn't capture all the colors, but that's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. And you have a little example right here of the Hybrid series bike. It tells you how to work things on your menu system right here. If you want some more information, that's where you go. But look at this thing. It is incredible. Now, it does come in 3 different colors. You get this ruby red, there's also emerald green, and an onyx black. The sparkle is incredible. Okay, so as far as fit, form, and function, I judge the fit as soon as I put them together. And then we'll ride the bike and score it on form and function. But as far as fit, you saw how well packaged it was. The thing was incredible. So yes, absolutely A+ for the way that it was packaged. It was easy to put together, and there's not a scratch on it. It's a beautiful day for a bike ride, and it's a beautiful bike to ride. The color is amazing. This ruby red, I really like. And I'm noticing something, and maybe this is kind of small. To me, this is a big deal. On some bikes, they put your kickstand too close to your pedals, and then if you're rolling the bike around like everybody does, sometimes your pedal will hit this and the bike doesn't back up anymore. Not with Heybike and not with the Hybrid. They've given you enough room. So not only is this, the HMI, human machine interactive, I mean, they've just put a lot of thought into it about practicality as well. So you can roll this thing around wherever you want. And you got that super big battery right there. Easy, easy, easy to get on, and lots of power and lots of range. Now, as far as, oh, can you see this? Look how gorgeous that is. That is so beautiful. You have a throttle here. You have your plus and minus here. You actually have turn signals. Can you see this in the monitor? Yeah, turn signals, which is fantastic. And you have a horn. There you go. Then on the right side, you have your 8-gear Shimano system. So let's go ahead, and we're going to go to passenger assist, pedal assist 2. Give her a little, ooh. Well, she's a little torquey. Okay. Oh, I tell you, well, this feels like a super light bike. I mean, it's what, 69 pounds, but it'll hold 440. We'll do some pedaling here. Oh yeah. Yep. Nice and crisp. The wind is picking up. That's okay. We'll get up here. We'll do a brake check. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well. That was nice. The pedals are so, the brakes are so good, it kind of threw me forward a little bit. It threw me out of the extra large saddle, which is another part of the experience here, this Omega series. So I'm impressed so far, and it's quiet. This is a super quiet bike. So let's come down here. We're going to take our usual route, and then we'll do some exploring. The smaller tires are really nice. Now they say they'll hold 30 PSI. I think I went up to about 25 or so. That was about all I thought they could really handle without being like just, super, super inflated. This is a really rough patch of road. We're going downhill. All I do is coast. This gives me a feel for the suspension, what it's like. And I can feel the front forking. It's a nice feel. So you can push down on it. Oh, this is so comfortable. And the fact that you can raise the stem of the bike right here is nice. Super adjustable. And then even on the app, Heybike has a really great app. And you can adjust things like the pedal assist and the throttle limits on there. So yeah, this is for a new bike, a lot of thought went into this. And the fact that it's, hybrid, and you can switch between the torque and cadence sensor is amazing. This is really comfortable, and it is dead silent. It really is. Okay, let's go into, we'll go into 8th gear. We'll come up to pedal assist 5. And this is torque hill. So this is the test where we see what the bike has as far as torque and power. 1200 watts of peak power. Anything above 16 is the passing grade. We're at 15.7 right now. I do have a headwind coming into play. This is 13.9, 13.4. It used to be 12 miles an hour, but I've raised the passing grade up to 13 because bikes have advanced, and they really have. They have gotten smarter. The distance has increased with the battery and the range. We're going 13.1, so it's a passing grade. I have ridden, bikes that are more powerful, but they felt a lot cheaper. This is a quality bike right here. You can just feel it, and it really wants to track straight. I'm not pedaling, I'm just using the throttle We're going 12.5, but the wind has really picked up. Now we're going 13, 14, 15. Yeah, your top speed, 28 miles per hour. This thing is so quiet. Even the brakes are quiet. Oh goodness, okay. I can tell you my rear end loves the saddle. It really does. It is, it's a little wider, kind of like my rear end is, but it's super comfortable. There's no back suspension, so the saddle does absorb some of the shocks of the road, the bumps, crevices. Let me use my turn signal. Thank you. I love the fact that it has a turn signal. All right, now we're at pedal assist 5. And I guess the bike comes set to a cadence sensor, because if I just kind of keep the pedals turning, the motor keeps, motoring. All right, here's the speed test. Let me full throttle. Once again, we do have a headwind. This is 28, 29, 29.4. Yeah, 29.4. And into a very strong headwind. Man, the wind came out of nowhere on this thing. But I can't hear the motor. I can't hear the tires on the road. All I hear is wind. On a lot of these bikes, I can't wait to get off of them. You can kind of feel if they're sketch or sus, as the kids say. This one I want to stay on. I may go for a longer ride than I usually do because it's just so comfortable. And I've got that range, a 100-mile range out of this battery. But it's quiet. It's just a light hum. It tracks perfectly straight. You know what? We're gonna go out on the road. We're going on the open road. I haven't done this with other bikes. But this one is just so comfortable and I'm so confident in it. We're just gonna go a different route here and enjoy life. If I don't get knocked over by one of these tree limbs. Yes, sir. This is, oh my goodness. Yeah, if you're looking to get into the electric bike world, this will be perfect for you. The sidewalks here in my little town are terrible, but this is soaking up all of the bumps. It's a comfortable ride. This might just be the quietest bike I've ever ridden. And it just wants to go. See? She just likes to go. I love this bike. And I like to pedal on it. I mean, I can sit back and let the bike do all the work. Or, or pedal myself to good health. Man, I really like the white walls on the tires too. Those are reflective. So at night it's going to help you. It's got a super bright light, of course, tail light, brake light, even turn signals like I keep mentioning. So you're going to be seen. I don't know where I am right now. This is such a fun bike to ride. I'm just exploring. This is a new part of the neighborhood. Yeah, you combine this bike, you get the app so you can completely customize it. And it's going to be perfect fit for you, whatever size, shape, age you are. This would be just, man. This could be a keeper bike. A lot of them I do not keep. This one, I don't know, could I call it a legacy bike? It's just so perfectly engineered. The way that it sits, the comfort of the saddle, the quiet ride, and you still have the power, and you have all of that. Oh, look at a guy. There's a father and son. Looks like they're on an electric bike too. See, you can be one of the cool kids with your very own electric bike. So nice. Here we go. Look at this. We're going to catch up with them. Yeah, they're out having fun, enjoying the weather. He's using his left arm. I'm going to use my left turn signal. Here we go. Maybe that's a dad or a grandfather with their son right there out. It's a whole lifestyle, I tell you, it really is. And it is so much fun. If you're in a bad mood, and a lot of times I work on these cars, and I really get a little cranky, all I have to do is put the tools down, hop on a bike, and just ride myself to happiness. It's not a long ride, I'll tell you that. Oh my goodness. All right, well, Heybike, you've got a definite winner on your hands. I love this thing. Look how it, yeah, maneuverable, comfortable, and well engineered. Okay, let's go back and we're gonna give her some grades. Well, I think you know what's coming. Yeah, we've already graded it on fit. As far as form goes, yeah, this hybrid is beautiful. And I keep telling you, the step-through design makes it so easy for anybody to get on and off of. I love this color. Like I said, you get 3 different colors. I love the fact that it will hold 440 pounds. I love the fact that you've got this very stylish handlebar right here that you can raise and lower and move this in and out, so it is completely customizable. And you can even customize it even more as far as the throttle response and all of that on the app. It's just a beautiful, well-built, metal fendered, awesome electric bike. So we're going to give it an A on form, an A+. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade that. And then as far as function, well, you have a huge range. The motor, 1200 watts of peak power. I wish it had just a little bit more. I wish I came up the hill at 15 or 16 miles an hour, but you're going to sacrifice some of your range with that. And so this kind of combines the best of both worlds. You get a long range, you do get a powerful motor, and a very comfortable ride. So we're going to give it a B+ on function. I mean, it is just, I mean, it's a brand new bike for them. Okay, when this review comes out, will be the first time that this is available to the public. Retail is about $16.99, and it is worth every penny. I mean, it absolutely is. You can just feel the quality. I mean, even this little button right here, there's some push. It just doesn't feel cheap. It feels very well built. The Shimano gear system, a lot of bikes use that, so you know that's tried and true. No problems with that at all. You've got this beautiful display that is colorful and it is bright, even in direct sunlight. It's just so well thought out. And the fact that, you know, if you're gonna roll it around, your pedal is not gonna hit the kickstand for me, which is huge. I love it, I love it, I love it. So if you do want some more information on the hybrid, all you have to do is go to the description box below right here. I'll have a link, follow the link, get some more information. And if there are any available, I'm anticipating they're going to sell a ton of these things because it is so very nice. You need to buy one. Absolutely. It'll change your life. It'll keep you in a good mood. And if you want to get that exercise, if you want to lose some weight, keep the heart pumping, the joints jointing and your knees bending and everything else, well, this will help you do it, and it will help you do it in style. All right, so big thanks to everybody from Heybike. I love their products. This is probably the 4th electric bike that I have tested from them. They do put out really, really good stuff. And as I'm talking about this, there's no weld seams. Look at this. They even went as far as to sand down the weld seams on this frame. It's beautiful. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous bike. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another one very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.